The chicken's in a tasty spinach artichoke sauce. Now I've got some butter and olive oil in the skillet. Very compelling footage there. And I'm gonna get some chicken going. I need to get some salt. And I'm gonna season both sides of these little thin chicken cutlets. And I am making spinach artichoke chicken. So one thing you should know about me, if we ever start to get serious, is that I love spinach artichoke dip. It is a weakness of mine. It is all I want in life. It's super quick. You just make it in one pan and you can serve it with bread or salad or pasta or rice. Anything you want to serve on the side is fine. So I'm gonna put the chicken in. They cook really fast, so if you're into really fast cooking, which we are these days, aren't we, gang?
Oh, yeah.
When we decide we're hungry, we want to eat 17 seconds later. So we can't have these great big chicken breasts that take 17 minutes to cook. No, no, siree. The chicken is almost completely done. So I took the chicken out of the pan, and here it is. And this is my absolute favorite way to cook a quick dinner. You make some kind of protein in the skillet with butter and oil, and then you use what's left in the pan to make a luscious sauce. So that starts with some red onion, and then I'm gonna stir the onion and garlic around in the skillet. So, of course, part of spinach artichoke dip are the artichokes, and I'm just using artichokes in a jar. They're already chopped up, and you just wanna quickly saute the artichokes and the onion and garlic. So, get ready to have some fun. I'm gonna add a tiny splash, teeny tiny splash of white wine. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Tiny is a relative term. What's tiny to some is not tiny to others. And it doesn't give the whole dish a really strong wine flavor. And if you don't want to use wine, you can just use a little bit of chicken broth or veggie broth, anything goes. Now, of course, spinach artichoke dip is a creamy, luscious masterpiece. And I'm pouring in about 3/4 of a cup of cream. It looks fantastic, and it's got kind of the flavor of the chicken that I cooked earlier. And because the skillet was so hot, this has thickened up pretty quickly. So now, I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. No, I like to flick the cheese. Okay, so look, Alex, the cheese melted almost instantly. So, don't look.
No, Mom.
Mom.
You guys,
It's gonna ruin it.
I'm tired of you hating on pimentos.
It's gonna ruin
Then
it.
stop putting them in the food.
Okay, that's it. So we have some baby spinach leaves. It is a lot, but spinach shrinks. And I'm gonna squeeze in some lemon juice. So here we go. The chicken goes in, and you just kind of nestle it in there. And the great thing is you can scale this up if you have company over. It kind of looks elegant in the pan. Alex, you have to come get another close-up of this with the basil. I'm just tearing basil and letting it fall in. I'm so excited about this. Okay, come in here, Alex, and you can see it getting served. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. Look.
The sausage trucker.
Mmm.
Now some
And then
bread.
a little bit of bread, a little bit of extra basil torn over. Okay.
All right.
Okay, go.
It's great. The white wine, the artichokes, the Parmesan, everything but the pimentos. I'm kidding.
I think it's
really
great.
good.
The butter, olive oil, onion, garlic, cream, white wine, Parmesan, artichokes, spinach, chicken. It's all really great. It all works together.